Hi, in this video, I will showcase how to deposit money into your account. The first step will be to go to the deposit and select the currency you want to deposit in. For this case, I'm going to choose Bitcoin. Continue. Here, you will have to enter the amount you wish to deposit. The minimum is $10, but you can go up to whatever amount you want. So for our case, let's go $50. After you press continue, the custom link will be generated for you. So this is going to be a different link every time. So make sure that you are selecting the new app. You're not uploading to all the links. To make sure that you have the right amount, you can simply copy the amount that has been calculated here and send that amount exactly. And that ensures you have the exact amount you need to send. The process is automated as soon as the money hits the wallet. It is going to be reflected on your end. Thank you.